Welcome back. This video will explain how to work with the Audiogram panel in Section B. By default, the Visit History panel is going to be seen when you first open the program and as you scroll between patient records here. However, if you want the Audiogram panel to be your default, just contact support and we'll change that for you. For example, if you're not using our scheduler or you just want to see an audiogram on the home screen by default, then we can certainly set that sixth dot to be the primary panel that displays when you first open the program. There are other ways of viewing audiograms. For example, clicking the headphones icon in the upper left area shows me two of the most recent audiograms. And when I click the Audiology button here, I can see up to 8. I have 6 for this patient, up to 8 different audiograms that are available for that patient. But again, if you want the default, we can set that for you. This screen doesn't show a lot of information. It's intended just for an overview purpose, but right now I see the right and left ear and bone. I see the pure tone average, high frequency average for right and left ears. From here I can print an audiogram, I can PDF the audiogram, and that audiogram is going to display based on whatever preference I had in my audiogram module. I have a number of different ways I can print audiograms, but as you can see, this particular one came up because that's what the preference was. I can also archive that, which would save a copy of that PDF to the patient's directory, and if I don't see the audiogram properly, I can click refresh, and that will allow me to see the audiogram. I can also right-click a word, for example, and find matching records, and that pulls up now 47 patients who have a moderate to severe loss in their right ear, or right-click and find matching records. 69 patients have a moderately severe loss in their left ear. So you can search those. It's a little bit tricky. We can teach you how to do that in another video. We also see the date of the most recent test right here in the center, and you can also search that field. For example, if I wanted to find everybody who had a hearing test in 2014, I can do that. But there are other ways that we can search that in a maybe a bit more easier way, such as finding everybody who last was tested over a year ago or things like that. So this area here is very helpful to be more precise, but you can see the patient's last test right here and you can search that field. So that's how you work with the audiogram slider panel in Section B of the HearForm home screen.